What's up everyone? Welcome to or welcome back to my channel. If you don't know, my name is Maya.
If I like it, then that's what I get. Yeah. I want it, I got it, I want it.
In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you just some tips for online classes, how to stay productive, how to make sure you stay on top of your things, and pretty much just how to stay sane during these times. Now before I get into the video, I just want to say real quick that I am extremely grateful and thankful to be in an environment that is safe and loving, and an environment that I've pretty much created to help me take online classes in the best way possible. I know not everyone has that same luxury that I do. I also know not everyone has a computer or a tablet to work on. So take these tips and morph them and change them into a way that works best for you. But let's get into the video. So the first tip I have is to get up and get ready as if you were actually going to class. So now whatever this means for you, do it your way. But for me, this means taking a shower, doing my makeup, doing my hair, putting on a nice outfit. I know if I stay in my pajamas or if I'm in like a sweatshirt all day, I'm gonna be lazy. I'm not gonna feel like I'm actually taking classes. So if you just roll out of bed, sit in your desk or sit on the couch and take your classes, it might not be as productive as they would have been if you had gotten ready and actually acted like you were getting up for class. The next tip is to just make sure you have a designated workspace that is decluttered and organized. Now I know not everyone has a desk or somewhere designated to work that's like a hard surface. So what you can do is buy a lap desk, which I'll have one linked in the description box down below. But this basically is just a desk that you can sit on your lap. You can get super comfortable with it, which I love. However, if you do have a desk, just make sure that it's decluttered and organized. No one wants to be sitting in class and the professor's like, all right, everyone take out a piece of paper and let me see that piece of paper. I mean, I don't know if that's actually gonna happen, but just saying. Imagine that happens, right? And then you don't know where any of your paper is, or you don't know where a pencil is. Like, that's gonna be so annoying because the entire class is gonna be waiting and everyone's just gonna be sitting there looking at you like this. So, point is, make sure that your desk space is organized and decluttered. And like I said, that lap desk is going to be linked down below. The next thing I'm going to suggest is getting a pair of blue light glasses. Now, if you're going to listen to anything in this video, this is the one thing I really want you to listen to. So, blue light glasses is basically just a special lens that you could either get put into your prescription glasses, or you can just regularly buy from Amazon, which again will be linked down below. So the blue light technology is going to block out the blue light rays that come from your laptop or your tablet or a phone, and it's going to eliminate headaches. Now this is so important because if you're doing class from 9 a.m. to 12 and you're just sitting on the computer all day or looking at your iPad all day, you're gonna get a headache. I know all of you have gotten a headache from being on your phone for too long, but these blue light glasses do eliminate that problem. And like I mentioned, the ones I have are prescription glasses. They're lightly prescripted with a blue light lens. However, you can get them on Amazon, which is just like a basic frame with some blue lights in them. Again, I will link that down below. So the next tip I have is to make yourself to-do lists, but give yourself 10 times more credit than you would normally. So let's say your task for this given moment is to clear out your laptop because you don't have space or anything, right? So instead of just writing clear out laptop, you want to write delete emails, clear out pictures, delete downloads, delete text messages. Just write an exact list of every little tiny thing you want to do, and then as you get them done and you can check it off, it's going to look like you got so much more done than you might have. And like I said, it's going to look like you have so much more to do than you actually do, but because they're such small tasks, once you get to crossing them all off and you look at your list and you're like, wow, I got 6 things done, it's going to feel so good. And to me, something that's so important right now is giving myself way more credit than maybe is due, maybe than what I'm actually doing. And that's just because this is such an unknown time. I mean, everyone's stressed. No one really knows what the future holds. No one knows anything that's gonna happen. So living in the present and making yourself happy now and giving yourself praise now has really helped me get through it. So I hope that helps you too. My next tip is to take breaks, and take good breaks. Don't sit on your break and look at Blackboard or look at the assignments you have to do or look at your to-do list. Like, literally put all your work away, go sit on the couch, go look outside, go do whatever you need to do that makes you feel like you're taking a break, and do that. Like I just said, it is so stressful. No one knows what's going on. No one knows what the future holds, and it can get so overwhelming if all day you're just working and thinking about it, and you're gonna go crazy. So make sure you take breaks. So there's my little saying, work hard, play harder. So work super hard, get your work done, you know, do what you have to do for classes, but then enjoy yourself, relax, take a nap, go outside, do whatever you need to do to feel more calmed down, and basically just take a break. It's pretty self-explanatory. One of my last tips is gonna be to keep your main goal in focus. Now I know when you're working on your phone or a laptop or tablet, it is so easy, like it's probably the easiest thing that could ever be done, to click another tab and go on YouTube or go online shopping or whatever you like to do that distracts you. It is so easy to do that, but you really need to be disciplined. So what I like to do is write little sticky notes about what the task that I need is to get done. And whether I put this on my computer screen or the wall or just somewhere that I could see it, if I'm ever distracted, I'm gonna look at it and I might not get to work exactly, but it's gonna be on my mind now, and then I'm gonna start feeling guilty for not working, so I'll get back to work. But this is super big, huge tip, because something that could take you 30 minutes is gonna end up taking 3 hours simply because of procrastination. So make sure you are focused on the main goal and don't stop until you finish that goal, because like I said, no one wants to do an assignment that could take you like 15 minutes and then end up having to do it for an hour. Like, no, not right now. The last and final thing I want to say is that self-discipline is the #1 thing that's going to get you through this period. So whether it's finishing your semester or your quarter in school or maybe a big project you have to get done, self-discipline is the #1 thing you need. So you need to look at yourself, you need to tell yourself you can do this, you are stronger than you think, mind over matter, like just have self-discipline. And it's easier said than done, but I'm telling you, it's going to be so much better after you get all your work done and you're just like, wow, I did that. I just did all my work. You know what I mean? So having self-discipline, so important. And that is the last thing I'm gonna say. But that is gonna bring me to the end of this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I really hope I gave you some motivation, some tips to make it through this next semester or quarter or whatever grade system you call it. I keep saying it, this is not an easy time, and it is so important to remind yourself that you are doing the best that you can. So keep trying, and if no one has told you, I'm so proud of you, because it's not easy, but we're getting through this and we're gonna do a great job. If you've made it this far in the video, comment down below how you are assuming your classes are gonna go this semester. Are they gonna be hard? Are they gonna be easy? Do you feel motivated? Do you feel stressed and tired? Let me know, I'm interested. But with that said, all my socials will be right here on the screen as well as in the description box down below. I post every Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday at 12 o'clock, so stay tuned for my next video, and good luck on your classes. Yay!